Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Xbox controller for Dolphin. First, ensure your Xbox controller is properly connected to your computer. Next, we will open the Dolphin Emulator and navigate to its controller settings. From there, we'll configure all the necessary inputs for your games, making sure every button and stick works perfectly. Finally, we'll test the setup to guarantee a smooth gaming experience. Let's get started. Connecting your Xbox controller is the first crucial step. You can simply use a USB cable for a reliable wired connection. Alternatively, for wireless play, pair it via Bluetooth if your computer supports it, or use an official Xbox wireless adapter. Always make sure your computer recognizes the controller before proceeding. Sometimes, a quick driver installation might be necessary, but Windows usually handles this automatically for a seamless setup. Now let's dive into Dolphin settings. Open the emulator and click on Controllers. For port 1, select Standard Controller. Then, for the device, choose X input from the drop-down menu. This makes mapping incredibly straightforward for Xbox controllers. You'll then go through and map each button, the D-pad, and both analog sticks individually. Take your time to ensure every input is assigned correctly for optimal gameplay. With your controller configured, it's time to test it out. Launch one of your favorite games in Dolphin and carefully check every button, the D-pad, and both analog sticks. Make sure they all respond exactly as you expect. If anything feels off, you can fine-tune sensitivity or adjust dead zones in the controller settings. Once everything is perfect, remember to save your controller profile so you don't have to repeat these steps later. Enjoy your games.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.